Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Cat S32 and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So first you need to open the control panel and find all unnecessary features and disable it. For example, if you don't use nearby share right now, disable it. If you don't use Wi-Fi right now, disable it. Or enable it if you don't use a mobile network and want to use only Wi-Fi right now. Disable Bluetooth if you don't use it right now. And disable hotspot and location services if you don't need it right now. If you need, enable it and disable later when you don't. Okay? Because all of these services are constantly searching for nearby devices, for nearby networks, for nearby satellite signal. So in this way, all of these features are constantly consuming your battery power, but where they are disabled, they are not consuming the battery power. Okay, so great. Now let's open the settings, and in settings we have battery. So find here battery and find battery saver mode and click enable. And in this mode your device will live longer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.